Most people don't realize how much of a mess their home exterior becomes when they try to play DIY security guard. You end up with a flickering old floodlight from the 90s and a separate battery-powered camera duct taped nearby. It looks like a science project gone wrong. We are finally reaching a point where home security feels less like a collection of random gadgets and more like a single intelligent unit. This new floodlight camera is a perfect example of that evolution. It does not just watch your driveway, it owns it. By merging high-powered lighting with a sharp lens, it solves the biggest headache of outdoor surveillance, the grainy, useless footage you usually get at midnight. Most cameras struggle when the sun goes down. They give you these ghostly, blurry shapes that could be a raccoon or a burglar. You just cannot tell. But when you have massive lights built directly into the hardware, the whole game changes. The lights flip on the second something moves. Suddenly you have full color detail that makes identification actually possible. This is not just about catching someone after the fact. It is about making your house a hard target. A bright light is often enough to make someone decide your neighbor's house is a much better option. I love that this setup simplifies everything. You are not drilling 50 holes into your siding. It is one device for one job. The coverage area is surprisingly wide too. Instead of buying 3 separate cameras to see your entire front yard, this one unit handles the heavy lifting. You can monitor the porch, the driveway, and the garden all at once. The smart features are where things get really interesting though. The motion detection is not just a dumb sensor that goes off every time a leaf blows by. It is tuned to actually alert you when it matters. And the two-way audio? That is a lifesaver. Think about those times you are stuck at work and see a delivery driver walking up with a package you have been waiting for. You can literally tell them where to hide it right through your phone. It is like being home when you are miles away. It provides a level of awareness that just was not possible 10 years ago. You get a notification, you tap your screen, and you are right there in the moment. But the real kicker for me, the thing that actually makes this worth your time, is the storage situation. We are all exhausted by subscriptions. Everything in our lives wants $5 or $10 a month now. It is a constant drain on your wallet. This camera flips the script. It offers local storage options. That means you own your footage. You're not paying a tech giant a monthly rent just to see who was at your door last Tuesday. That kind of freedom is rare these days. It puts the control back in your hands. You manage your own recordings. You decide what stays and what goes. It fits perfectly into a modern smart home without demanding a constant drain on your bank account. It is clean, it is efficient, and it actually works the way you want it to. Whether you're looking at your front door, your patio, or your garage, this device bridges the gap between simple lighting and high-end security. It is about that feeling of checking your phone at midnight and seeing a crystal clear view of your property. No more guessing, no more shadows. Just total clarity and the satisfaction of knowing you are not being nickel and dimed for every second of video. If you are tired of the clutter and the monthly fees, this integrated solution feels like the smartest move you can make for your peace of mind.